Welcome to Module 1, Intro to Environmental Science. And the first thing we need to know is what is environmental science? And so it is the study of the environment that includes the physical, biological, and social sciences. Sometimes you'll hear environmental science referred to as the interdisciplinary science because it uses all of these other fields together to solve these environmental problems. One of the fields in environmental science that is used is ecology, the study of how living things interact with each other and with their non living environment. So, for example, if you're studying fish in Lake Erie, you're studying the fish and you're studying how they interact with each other in the lake. Agriculture is really important in environmental science. It's the practice of growing, breeding, and caring for plants and animals that are used for food, clothing, housing, transportation, and other purposes. So that's why it's really important because we use agriculture to make all of the stuff that we eat and use on a daily basis. So natural resources are any material from nature that is used by humans. So air, soil, water, fossil fuels are all natural resources. They come from nature. Pollution is any undesired change in the air, water, or soil that adversely affects the health, survival, or activities of humans and other organisms. So if you dump waste into the lake, then it's water pollution and you're going to affect everything that lives in the lake. So, biodiversity, the number and variety of species that live in an area. So, coral reefs have over 4,000 species. There's also over 16,000 different species in the rainforest. The law of supply and demand is the greater the demand for a limited supply of something, the more the product is worth. So, if Nike releases a new dunk, that's going to be more expensive because the demand for that is going to be higher. The ecological footprint shows the productive area of Earth needed to support one person in a particular country. So you did this activity where you calculated your ecological footprint, and most of us got more than one Earth, which is a problem since we only have one Earth. And the last term in this module is sustainability, the condition in which human needs are met in such a way that a human population can survive indefinitely at a standard of living like the current one. So we could use solar panels instead of fossil fuels. We could use electric cars instead of gas cars to help live more sustainable.